Hi everyone, welcome back to Chiaki's Recipe Lab. This is also a Halloween recipe. Yeah, this is how I video shoot every time. A lot of mistakes. But this recipe is all my friends and family loves it. So let's make it together. I like to make this with pumpkin, but also you can use sweet potato too. Here are the ingredients: pumpkin, cream cheese, almond slice, raisin, and rosemary. If you can't eat the dairy, you can switch the cream cheese with soy cream cheese, so no problem. For the pumpkin, if you want the dish to have a nice orange color, remove the skin first. But leaving it on is okay too. To cook, cut it up into bite-sized pieces. Add about 50 ml of water and cook until soft. Then mash until smooth. It is easier to add the cream cheese when pumpkin is still warm and mix them together well. Let's make them into cute pumpkin shapes. Don't worry, it is super easy. Evenly scoop out the pumpkin mix onto the plastic wrap. For fun, we will hide some yummy raisins inside. Put whatever you like, almonds or walnuts, just put it too much as it will break apart. Next, tighten them into a bowl with wrap and put in the fridge until they get firm. To make them look even nicer and taste great, I'm rolling them in crushed roasted almond and adding some pieces of rosemary to look like pumpkin stems. There we go, fun and easy creamy pumpkin snacks. If you like this video, please comment below and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Yummy! Yummy!
If there is something you want me to try or a recipe you want to see, let me know in a comment below. See you then. Bye!